Okay. Alright guys, I am restoring my PS4 right now. I'm initializing the PS4. It'll take a couple hours. See, I'm only gonna record up to about 8 minutes or so. This will this will take a while. Meanwhile, I can. Alright. Although I have a new YouTube account. See, if I want to, if I want to broadcast my games, I'd probably broadcast my games on Twitter because most people on YouTube don't have Twitter accounts. So that's what I'm gonna do from now on. I'm gonna broadcast my games on Twitter. Before I do that, I have to get my system restored and get it working better than before. But I'm still gonna get a PS4. I'm just gonna just restore it. That's what I'm doing right now. It takes a long time to restore it. I mean, I restored the thing last year, and now I'm gonna restore it again. Yeah, I'm pretty much doing it right now. I'm restoring it. I'm restoring my PS4 right now. It's deleting all the games off the hard drive. Now I will consider getting a new PS4. But I'm not going to be broadcasting my games on YouTube anymore. Honestly, I don't think that's really good for me. Because people make fun of you on YouTube. Is that a proper way for people to behave themselves? God, they act like idiots, man. That's why I don't want no part of it. So I decided I'm done with fucking YouTube. But I can still put YouTube videos on YouTube. But they'll know who, they'll probably know who, won't know who it is. Because honestly, still recording. Finally restore my PS4. Restoring it. Let all my friends like Okay, right now I'm restoring it. Takes a while to restore my PS4. I'm restoring it right now. I won't just start playing games until now. I'll probably wait till next week. I'll load all the games back on my PS4 today. Yeah. As you know, it's halfway through. I mean, it's halfway through. It's not there yet, but after I get it completed, this takes a long time. Plus restoring a PS4. Takes a hell of a long time to get it restored. Because I mean, my game holds a lot of games and a lot of saves.